Okay, so this is a 2008 Lexus is250. So let me check the what the code is. So I'm replacing the spark plugs because this car has the misfire on cylinder number 6, and as you can see, take a look at the spark plugs, how they are. Check out the new one. Big difference, huh? See. So definitely these spark plugs, they will throw you a PO 300 or misfire. So I ended up replacing the spark plugs on this Lexus. We put a new set of spark plugs. Let me show you, these are the old ones now. This is why we were getting a random misfire. If you take a look at these spark plugs, how the way they are. You see how much carbon is built up in there compared to the new ones. There's a big difference. So all of them were like that. See this one?